Hello guys, my name is Jessica from Shenzhen Cosun Smart Tech. Today we joined the InfoComm in 2026. Today I would like to share our best-selling products in our company. This one is 43-inch LCD indoor totem. We made this for the retail stores or kind of like the restaurants, hotels. You can choose the different sizes and the colors. So we can make this as your specific requirement. This size is available in any color and the sizes you can choose and pick any models from our factory, or if you have any specific the customizable requirement, you can also contact us and you can check out our website. Our website is www.consin.com. Thank you so much.